What's the meaning of convincingly? Convincingly. Convincingly.
Convincingly. Convincingly. Convincingly means in a way that is persuasive and able to persuade someone to believe or agree with something. When something is done convincingly, it means that it was done in a manner that leaves no doubt in the minds of those who witness or experience it. The person doing it has the power to make others believe or accept something to be true. To accomplish something convincingly requires a combination of confidence, skill, and knowledge to present one's ideas or actions in an effective and indubitable way.